Hello sweetie pie, I hope you're okay. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. I'm going to share this potato soup recipe with you. It is creamy and delicious, and I'm going to also review this pan, so why don't you keep watching. I got this pan from original Mama Betty's shop online. It did not take me long to get it, and here I am sharing it with you guys, and I hope you like it. If you do, I have a link down below where you can order yours now. So I have quickly unboxed my saucepans, and this is the smallest one, 20 centimeters, but it is so spacious. I've been able to make stew in this one, and I'm telling you, it's very spacious. And this is the frying pan. It looks small, but it's actually big. It's 28 centimeters. So the saucepans come in 5 pieces, 20 centimeters, 24 centimeters, and then the frying pan, which is 28, the shallow one here, which is 28 as well, and the deep one is also 28. But they're all very spacious in their own ways. So I'm going to test it out. First of all, I've washed it with hot water like instructed, and then I am now going to make my potato soup. Guys, you definitely need to try this soup out. I'm telling you, it's just a life changer. It's easy and quick to go with. So I started by adding 2 tablespoons of butter to my frying pan, sorry, my saucepan here, and then I added some diced sausage, and I'm frying that until it's like crispy. I want it crispy. You don't have to fry it, but I am frying it because that's how I want it. And I am doing this on medium heat. You can use bacon, you can use chicken, you can use whichever meats you wish to use. So I am removing that from the pan. And now I'm going to add my diced onion. I'm going to saute that for about 5 minutes until it's soft and cooked through. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. It's essential. You definitely need your garlic in the soup. It will just take the whole thing to a different level. So I'm adding that, and I'm going to fry for like 30 seconds. So that is done. I'm adding my broth here. You can add whichever broth you prefer. I'm not going to tell you which one to add. You can add vegetable, chicken, whatever. So I'm just going to mix that together and add my diced potato, and then I'll add some cream and milk as well. So I added about ½ cup of cream, double cream, and about 1 cup of milk. I'm mixing that until it's very well incorporated, and then I'm gonna go ahead and season with some more garlic powder and herbs, with cayenne pepper, which is a little bit spicier, and smoked paprika for some smokiness in there, a little bit of tiny clove. I don't want the whole thing to be over empowered by that, so I added a tiny bit, and then a pinch of salt. I'm also going to be adding some black pepper, just a tiny pinch of it, and mix everything well together. So I'm adding my black pepper now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add about a cube of cheese, and I'm going to cover and let it cook until it is very soft. So this is how it's looking, beautifully cooking. I'm gonna keep cooking until it's soft. Once it's soft, I'm going to take some of the potatoes out and blend them, then put it back inside the pot or saucepan. So I have done that here, and I'm just mixing it in. Then I'll go ahead and add some onions for extra crunch, and some sun-dried tomato, and then my sausages. I have transferred that back onto my soup. So I'm just mixing that well, and I'm going to cover and let it simmer for about 8-10 minutes, and that is it. My soup is done, guys. This was real quick one. I assure you that it would not even take long, and you will love the outcome of it. And I love my saucepan. I absolutely enjoyed cooking in this saucepan. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you, OMB Kitchen. I absolutely love it, and yeah, I'm looking forward to using all of them. Guys, this is the end of my soup, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope you like it. If you do, thumbs up for me, and comment down below in the description box, what do you like to put in your potato soup? Let me know down below in the description box. Thank you. Bye bye for now, and see you in the next video.